Meet Pop 4. Scan everything, everywhere. 3 powerful technologies: Blue Laser, Infrared Full Field, and VXL. Combined in one device. Scans small to large, complex or flat items, even outdoors. Hi, Mike. What do you want to scan?
I want to scan car parts for reverse engineering. Pretty complicated parts, so accuracy really matters.
I've got some terrific news for you, Mike. Pop 4's Blue Lasers easily capture round and sharp edges with great accuracy. There are scanning presets, no manual setup, just select it and scan. Pop 4's 30 cross lines rapidly capture it up to 105 FPS. Switch to single line mode to handle deep holes and crevices. After scanning, one-click editing lets the software handle everything. It's that simple. Or take full control. Choose fast or high-quality processing and fine-tune your data with versatile editing tools. Pop 4's laser mode delivers jaw-dropping details with up to 30 microns of accuracy. Export in 7 different formats, compatible with all major 3D software and 3D printers.
Can I scan with my phone?
Of course, with Pop 4's Wi-Fi connection and Revo mirror, your scan streams directly to your phone, so no need to worry about cables or holding your laptop.
Oh wow, I can actually edit the scan on my phone.
Jessica, what about you?
Well, I scan a lot of art items for video game development, so I need details fast.
Nice, let's do this. Pop 4's Full Field mode lets you quickly scan feature-rich objects. No markers needed.
Impressive. It's an exact replica.
The Louvre will never know it's missing.
Wow, that is really good. I want that too.
You've got it. And Pop 4 also scans in full color. Just click this button. Boom. The software automatically adjusts exposure and white balance in real time. And check this out. It can even create Gaussian splats and export them in 3D GS for fast, ultra-realistic 3D models. And one more thing. AI can remove unwanted background clutter, saving you time in post.
Can I scan large items?
Can I scan dark items?
You guys got the right tool. Pop 4's VXL mode lets you easily scan large things. And it's great for dark surfaces. Try out the hybrid HD scanning mode. If you want both the details of Full Field and VXL's powerful tracking, it combines their advantages, giving you the best of both.
That's awesome.
All right, time to go.
Wait, take Pop 4 with you. Did you know that VXL technology offers excellent light resistance? You can scan outdoors in up to 100,000 lux.
Hey, I wonder.
Yes, Mike, you can use laser mode outside too.
Okay, scanning's covered, but I still need a reliable software for measuring and reverse engineering. Any ideas?
It's your lucky day, Mike. Pop 4 scanning software, RevoScan, integrates seamlessly with Revo Design and Revo Measure. Revo Design turns your scans into CAD models in just a few simple steps. And Revo Measure generates full, quality control inspection reports. Whatever you're scanning, whatever your application, whatever you're doing with it. With its multi-scanning modes and dual light sources, Pop 4 checks all your boxes.